Hey guys, it's your girl OhJessBehave and I am back with another video, and today I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got from my Amazon haul. I made a pretty decent order, and I also got some stuff from Nail Supply Glamour. So be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so first we're gonna go ahead and start off with what I got from Nail Supply Glamour, because it's only 2 things, and the only reason why I got 2 things is because when I placed my order, everything was sold out, and I really needed a new brush, so I got me an acrylic brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the acrylic brush. And y'all, I used it a couple times, and it's a size 12 brush. And y'all, this brush is so freaking cute, like OMG. So cute, right? Okay. So I paid $21.99 for this brush, and this is a size 12 brush. So far it's working really well for me. I'm able to lay down acrylic quicker with it, and I like it. I've also heard about the Panda Brush and Alpha Brush as well, but I went with this because, I don't know, I was on the website and I just decided to go ahead and go for it because it had a lot of ratings. And y'all, this brush is so beautiful. Like, I love it so much. I didn't even know like the glitter moved around in it. Like, that's what really made me like this brush a lot. The next thing that I got from Nail Supply Glamour, and it came in this box, and they packaged it really tight and close knit. And y'all, my brightness is like way too high, so I'm gonna put the brightness down so that you guys can see. All right, so I just lowered the brightness a little bit because it was hard for y'all to see what I got. So this is the box that it came in, just a Nail Supply Glamour box, and they have all this stuff in it or whatever, like foam or whatever. They package their stuff really tight. And I got a foil gel from them because I had some foil gel from AliExpress, and y'all, that shit is trash as hell. So I had to get some good quality foil gel. So I decided to go with Nail Supply Glamour, and I tried it out. It works really well. Very sticky. So I'm definitely gonna make a purchase for this again. All right, so now to the Amazon. The first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, and I got and I really needed a nail desk lamp because like it's hard for me to see. And y'all, I know I look busted today. Hold up, let me put my brightness back up. But yeah, y'all, so I got this from Amazon, and it's a nail desk lamp, and as you guys can see, this is how it looks. It's really good. You can like lift this part up and rotate it and turn it, and it has 7 different light settings, and then 3 like I'm sorry, it has 7 different but it has 7 different brightening settings and 3 different light settings. So I really like that aspect of it. And I guess it's just, an eye protection light, just to let you know the light isn't too harsh on your eyes. So I really like this, and you can move it around and stuff like that. So y'all should definitely get this lamp. And I'll do a video showing me moving it around and up and down and stuff like that, and probably put it on the side or somewhere so that you guys can see how it looks on my desk. And I paid $44 for this. And I got the idea from Sydney Alexis. Y'all know I love her channel, so period. The next thing that I got was this 8-ounce container of Mia Secret Clear. As you guys know, I love me some Mia Secret, so I decided to get the clear because I use this to mix my acrylic powders up. I use this to cap encapsulations, and this is just a solid powder overall in my opinion. I love it. Some people don't like Mia Secret, but I do. All right, so the next thing that I got, and I got this so that I can take pictures for my nails. It's not that big, so I would definitely say go for a bigger one, but it still works and it's still nice. It came in this box, which I think is really cute. You feel like I could just put it in there. And I got me a diamond, like a display diamond. Yeah, giving the girls shine bright like a diamond. But yeah, so basically, you can have your clients hold on to the diamond, and then you can, take pictures of their nails and stuff like that. So I got this so that I can take some bomb pictures and just give my Instagram like, a unison aesthetic. I want it to look the same. I don't want different backgrounds for my pictures, so I decided like to get me a diamond, but I'm definitely gonna order a bigger one. And I paid $12 for this, and it comes in this box, which I really like. I can just store it, and it fits right in, really cute. Next, all right, so the next thing that I got were these Cuticle Pushers, and it was $4. And as you guys can see, let me lower the light. I don't know what's up with my light, y'all. So I got these Cuticle Pushers, and this is a pack of 50, and it came with these two separators, I guess, but I don't do feet. I'll probably use it for myself. All right, so I got these because y'all, I do not like to sanitize my implements. Like, y'all, it takes forever. I feel like it's a huge waste of time. So if I could find an alternative, I'm definitely gonna go that route. So I went ahead and got these so that I can just push the cuticles and then dispose of them, and that way I don't have to keep on cleaning my implements or going through that process. I can just dispose of it and just move on to the next client. And I really feel like y'all should definitely cop these. I got these on Amazon for like $3.99, which is a really good deal in my opinion. So yeah, get y'all some Cuticle Pushers, sis, so you ain't gotta keep cleaning your Cuticle Pushers and keep on, you know, sanitizing them, like, period. All right, so the next thing that I got are these nail diamonds, and y'all, I just decided to get them because, you know, you can never go wrong with getting some diamonds, period. I paid $10.99 for this, and it comes with a pencil. I didn't even know it came with this, so that's really cool. So it comes with the pencil, I guess a wax pencil, so that you can go ahead and pick up the crystals, and it also comes with, y'all, like, and I really feel like this is a great buy. It also comes with a tweezer. Ooh, I didn't even know it came. I thought it was just a pack of diamonds, y'all. I'm very satisfied with this purchase, and I don't even have one of these, so I'm real happy. Like, I have some tweezers, but they're not these, like the pointy ones. So, okay, Amazon, I'm really happy. This is probably my favorite purchase, like, period. So it comes with this. I'm definitely gonna be using this because I needed to get one anyway, and I'm very happy it came with it. And then the crystals, y'all. And so it comes in, y'all, these crystals are very, 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 okay, y'all, bling wow. But these are the crystals. I'm gonna put the light down so that you guys can see. But y'all, these are the crystals. Let me put the brightness up a little bit. But yeah, y'all, these are the crystals. As you guys can see, they are shining. Okay. Okay, Amazon. And they had really good ratings. That's why I got it. So I needed some more diamonds, like crystals and stuff like that. Like, I love AB. Crystals, I feel like you cannot go wrong. I feel like these will never be a waste in my opinion. Yeah, I don't know why the brightness is so bright. Okay, we got the light better. And then it comes with some bigger stones. Okay, so it comes in this box or whatever. And I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of this box. And this is the main reason why I got this, because at the local nail supply, y'all, these are very expensive. Like, they're like $4 for $1. And I was able to get how many different, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 different shapes or whatever the case may be of the bigger crystals, and they're AB. Yeah, y'all, so for the total of $10.89, I was able to get a pack of these AB crystals, a nice 12-pack box of the bigger crystals, a wax pen, and these tweezers. Like, y'all, that is definitely a deal. Y'all should definitely go cop that from Amazon. And I feel like that's honestly like a great deal for $10.89, because if you go to your local nail supply, they're gonna be selling these for like $4 for $1. Like, get you this, sis. Next thing that I got is some nail tips, and I got a total of I think I got a total of like 7 different type of nail tips. Are probably different color but same brand. So the first ones that I'm going to show you guys are these. All right, so I got these extra long nail tips, y'all, and I needed them, like, because I want to do like some extra long nails, and I needed these tips, so I got 120 tips for $12. See, period. Really, really long. I needed these, so like if I place them on the nail, see that, period. So I could slay like some extra long nails or whatever the case may be. So I definitely had to get these, and I paid $12 for them, and they're 120 pieces. And I'm pretty much gonna leave them in this bag because I don't have a holder that'll hold all these nail tips because they're so long. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put that back in the bag. So this is how it came, or whatever the case may be. Real simple, straight to the point, period. All right, so the next set of things that I got are my nail tips, and these are the Coffin nail tips by by BT Art Box. And everyone pretty much like uses these on YouTube and stuff, so I decided to get me some, and they're already in the coffin shape, so it'll just, you know, make the job easier for me. So I'm just gonna show y'all how they look. And the only thing that I don't like about it is the box. Like, it doesn't have the numbers big enough. For $18, y'all should definitely have the numbers big enough. But this is basically how the nail tips look. They have a curve to them, or whatever the case may be. And then I got the same thing from BT Art Box. I got the clear ones because I like a clear tip, just in case I want to do something clear, period. The next thing that I got are these Mccartney nail tips, and these are like the square shape. So yeah, these are just Mccartney nail tips, or whatever the case may be, and these are the square ones. And I also got the Mccartney nail tips in clear, and I went ahead and just put them in this box. So y'all should definitely get these tips. If you're having issues with like doing tapered square, then you should get the Mccartney ones. And if you want to do like coffee, you should definitely get the BT Art Box ones, because they're like practically the same prices that you would pay at a local nail supply, just better because they're pre-shaped and they're easy to use, and it definitely makes a difference in your nail set. So y'all should go watch my other videos if y'all want to see the difference between the tips. But yeah, so this concludes my nail supply haul. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys so much for almost getting me to 1K, like 1 period. There's a giveaway coming soon, and I promise it's gonna be so lit. But yeah, see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, and if you guys have any suggestions on what type of videos I should do, y'all should definitely comment it down below, because your girl needs some ideas. But see you guys next time. Bye.